Adheya. Do you know the entire online B2C Indian tourism industry, either it is a small or a medium or a large, or you can say a very large company running on copy and paste method. Let me explain you in few minutes. When I was doing my B2B, I was selling tour packages to travel agents. I have come across that 95% of the companies have no knowledge on product. For example, they have received a query, say on Sikkim, and but these travel agents hardly they have any knowledge on Sikkim as a tourism destination. What they do, they used to contact B2B agents like us and forward the same to us. We used to give them the tour plan, the hotel details, and all the other details like exclusion, inclusion, terms and condition of the entire holiday, and the same content and everything. They used to forward it to their client. So they never thought to learn about destination, since they thought काम चल जाएगा, चल रहा है, धंधा हो रहा है. Again, suppose if they get the business, the confirmation comes, they used to hand over that business to the B2B agent like us only. So it is the B2B agents who handles the entire operation and looks after the guests during their holiday. Now, if the B2B agent is responsible, the feedback is good. But in most cases in India, I'm telling you practically, I've seen that the B2B agents fail to finish the tour with a pleasant smile on the face of the guests. You know why? It is just because the B2C agents has not educated themselves on the operation of the tour. And so they cannot have full control on it. Now I'll give you the third example. Again, what I have found that many tourism experts and executives, after passing their graduation and post-graduation on tourism and hospitality, they spend 1 lakh, 2 lakh, even 5 lakh rupees and 2-3 years of waste their time to learn and to get that graduation and post-graduation certificate. And when they join any holiday company, they had to learn from the scratch. Means the company is paying as well as they are teaching them. They are trying to learn them. But again, the question is, who will teach them properly? Because the guys who are sitting on managerial positions, even working for more than 5 to 10 years, they don't have the complete knowledge on tourism or destination management. And this I am telling you practically because I have spent 15 years in this industry. 90% of the tourism professionals in India, whatever may be the position, lack the knowledge on fundamentals of tourism. Hence, any B2C company cannot be able to create their own product regularly. There is no SOP in their offices. The question is why? It is because there is not a single tourism colleges or institutes in India that has built a practical curriculum and package tour. Even not a single B2B agents thought to educate the B2C agents from whom they are getting the businesses. Before COVID, the scenario was different. The market was booming and going well. Even those guys who are not from the tourism background, I have seen they used to get job in holiday companies. But the post-COVID, the situation is completely changed. It has completely changed. I understand many of you have a question that what will be the future of the tourism industry. Don't worry. This is only a temporary phase of tourism that got affected. it is again going to recover, and it has to recover because every country, the government of the country is, they has to look after the tourism, and it is going to boom within a period of 2 years. Now there are still unlimited opportunities in tourism. What only we need to do is to create awareness to ourselves and to work on those unlimited opportunities. There is a huge gap, I can say product gap and market gap in the Indian tourism industry that need to be addressed. So are you interested to know those unlimited opportunities, product gap and market gaps? By the way, I am doing a webinar to create awareness on those types of important issues, and I'll be giving you the solution to work on it. Below is the link. You register yourself and we will have 90 minutes of fun.